In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how easy it is to install and remove Lasfit all-weather floor liners on a 2018 Ford Fusion. If you haven't joined our Elite Club yet, you can scan our QR code to become a member here by scanning it on your camera app and entering some basic information about your vehicle. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to make sure you get more videos just like this one. Let's get to it. Make sure you remove the old floor mats from your car. On the driver's side, slide the floor liner up underneath the gas pedal and the brake pedal. Make sure the anchors are aligned so you can push them down gently into the retainer hook. You should hear a snap when it's secured. When removing the floor liner, place your hand underneath the floor liner and gently push up to unhook the anchors from the retainer hook. Repeat the same step from the driver's side onto the passenger side. Then press down and lay flat on the car floor. There's 3 separate floor liners. Lay the floor liner down individually onto the floor, and you'll see how easy and fitted they are. Our custom build is designed to cover more ground on the floor and not let debris and liquids go underneath the driver and passenger seats. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button to be the first to be notified of when our video drops. Also, check our website and follow us on our social media. From Lasfit, goodbye.